Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. Super excited to be sharing with you a brand new Spring Bounty Challenge that is taking place from March 15th to April 15th, 2025. It is huge. We are giving away free digitals every single day for this entire 30 or 31 days of the challenge. The digitals will be from myself and Debbie from Pouring My Art Out for the Lord. This is a collaboration that we have put together for you. Let me show you how you can participate. Debbie from Pouring My Art Out for the Lord and I just collaborated on a brand new digital. Super excited about it. It's called Whispers of Spring. It's a Spring Bounty Folio. Super duper pretty. There is a full flip through of the folio all put together on Debbie's YouTube channel. There's also a start to finish tutorial that comes with this, so you can follow along and create the folio with her if you'd like. It blends seamlessly with the Spring Bounty digital series, which was uploaded to my Etsy shop last spring. This is a ginormous series. There's 6 kits in total, great as standalones, but also work beautifully together. And so that's where this Spring Bounty folio came from. She pulled mostly the purples and the yellows, greens and neutrals out of this Spring Bounty digital kit series. There's kit 1, journal pages, kit 2, coordinating pages, kit 3, more coordinating pages. You can see all the beautiful rainbow of colors here, and she pulled mostly from the purples and the greens, yellows, neutrals. She actually made a folio last year. It's on her YouTube channel with the pinks and the blues, and it's super beautiful. So that's kit 3, and then kit 4 is the embellishments and ephemera. Tons of bits and bobs to decorate. Lots of pieces that are good in most of these kits any time of the year. We have fussy cats, butterflies, birds, flowers, ladybugs, bunny rabbits. We have kit 6, lots of words and phrases and definitions. So she took this 6 digital kit series, pulled most of the purples and the yellows out, and created that beautiful folio for us. And the reason I'm showing you guys all this is because the challenge is called the Spring Bounty Challenge. And let me tell you more about that. Pop on over to Debbie's Kofi shop and grab the new Spring Bounty Folio. You can also find it in my Etsy shop. And then grab one of your Spring Bounty kits from last year, or head over to my shop if you'd like to pick up one of them or the entire series. And grab your scissors, do some cutting, grab your glue, and maybe you want to hop over to Debbie's YouTube channel and follow along with her start to finish tutorial for the Spring Bounty Folio. Or you just want to make a belly band or a journal card, a tag, a hidden paperclip, a pocket, an entire journal. The choice is yours. Just have some fun, create something with one of the kits, and then step 2, head over to Fans of the Junk Journal Studio's Facebook group. If you are not on the Facebook group, it'll ask you a couple of questions, and then I will be notified that you have requested to join the group. I will check it 2 or 3 times a day so that I can get you accepted quite quickly. And once that takes place, you can share a photo of one of your creations from the kits, add the hashtag SB Challenge to your post, and then 3, one person each day from March 15th to April 15th will be randomly chosen to win free digitals. There is no limit to the number of days you may win. Simply share a new photo on every day that you choose to play, and you will be re-entered to win the free digitals that Debbie and I will be giving away. Every single day, we will post the winners of the free digitals from the day before, so you'll need to check back to the group often. If you've won, you'll see a post on the Facebook fans page that'll have your name on it and the day that you won it on. And it'll have my email, TheJunkJournalStudio@gmail.com. You email me to claim your prize. The deadline to claim your prize is April 30th. So although the challenge ends April 15th, it gives you a couple more weeks to claim your free digitals. And last but definitely not least, point number 7, most importantly, let's just have lots of fun, inspire one another, encourage one another, cheer each other on this spring as we are having fun, playing with all the digitals, creating, sharing with one another on the Facebook page, and getting excited about all the free digitals that Debbie and I will be giving away. You can find all the links to everything you will need in the description box below. So there'll be a link to the Spring Bounty Folio in Debbie's Kofi shop, in my Etsy shop. There'll also be the link to Debbie's YouTube channel for the start to finish tutorial on the Spring Bounty Folio. All of the links to the Spring Bounty digital series in my Etsy shop, and then details about the Spring Bounty Challenge. You can also find, as you're watching this, it'll already be posted in the Facebook fans group page. So pop on over and join that group. And yeah, we're super excited. Hope to see you there. Good luck, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.